Alright, so I got COVID the past 2 weeks, so first 2 weeks, or the first like couple days that I got quarantined, I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna post like video. But what ended up happening is that the second day that I was editing that vlog, or like that second video, that's when I started to get COVID, and then it just kind of went all downhill from there. Alright, so also, I did film another video right after this video right here. Basically, I filmed it, and the idea totally went to trash. Wasn't great. This is probably crappy quality, but this is the new Gimbal S that I got, and it's from my Canon M50. This thing is like awesome. It's even got this dial built in for like follow focus or for racking focus. It works, but it's not the best because it doesn't like go like super fast or instantly. But it's kind of sick, not gonna lie. Alright, so I also wanted to show you guys. I don't know if I actually told you guys about this, but I literally have a giant shed right outside of my house. And I want to show you guys if I should make it into a studio. Now, the whole purpose of it was to be like, to get away from like everyone in the house, so then I can just have some nice and quiet time and space to edit and shoot videos. And really the upstairs would be the best place to do that. This is literally it. I'm 5'3", so I'm really short. I can like kind of stand up in the tallest part of the ceiling, but not really. And I mean like, so I don't know if I would like set up like, there's a table, like a little kid's table. We have all these these are all little kids chairs. So I might make this into like my quote unquote studio. I think it could work. I think it could work. But maybe I could turn this into like a gear station or something like that. This whole side right here. During the summer, we came in and we painted, so like, and then, yeah, that's me. My buddy Diani did that. And it says the cabin, and then there's like some mountains right here. And then there's also some other stuff over here. And then there's this guy that Diani helped with too. This one's sick. I like this one a lot. But yeah, and then we also have like the old Xbox, little TV, and stuff like that. Now as far as like heating goes, this is all insulated, so if it does get cold, I would just have to grab a little space heater. But in the meantime, I could literally just use this as my workstation. I think I'm gonna use it for editing, and the first thing that I need to fix is those chairs. Those chairs are gonna suck. They hurt to sit in. You're like squishing your butt in the seat, and it's super small. So I'm gonna see if I can change that. I know that we have like some like folding chairs I could use. That's still not very comfortable to sit in. This might be just like a little cozy place that you can just edit, and I can probably just go like, I could turn that little table into my editing area, which would be kind of funny, but it would be functional, so like it would work, so I wouldn't care really. Also, like, what do you think about this lighting though? Like, these are all LED strips, like there's 2 of them, but it gives you like really good lighting, just like all around even lighting. That's what I really like about the shed, because I noticed that when I was trying to film this other video, and I was just like, dude, that's actually like legit lighting. I could film in here and it would be super convenient. Because right now all my lighting stuff's at Diani's house, and he's not even home right now, and I've been in quarantine for 2 weeks, and I haven't been able to go get any of my stuff from his house. And luckily I have my camera and my gimbal and everything, but I need to go grab that stuff, and I don't know if my lights would fit in here, so I could just use these lights instead of my big softbox cheap lights. So I don't know, we'll see. I think it'd be cool though. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. This is what happens when you sleep for a whole day and then you wake up immediately and then you go crazy. If any of you guys have suggestions on how to make your dog not bite, please let me know. You bite and you bite and you bite, don't you? So I haven't flown this drone in a while, so I figured I'd pull it out really quick. Okay, so I know this probably isn't the best audio situation, but I wanted to just fly my drone and just tell you how it flies, because it's been like 5 years of having this drone, and it's gotten a lot slower. Let's do another test, and I'll show you guys just what I'm talking about, because Okay, so there's the golf course. It's right in front of us. Let's go to the golf course. So we're at sport mode. We're going 12, 13, 14, 15 miles an hour. And like compared to like what you see on the screen to what I'm seeing my drone do on camera, like dude, this thing is so slow. Yeah, so just with that flight, really, honestly, I might be switching this out for a different drone later in the near future, like the Mavic Air 2 or the Mavic Pro 2 of this guy, just because I needed it to be faster. So like even if I was having a paid job and I was doing like anything that had to do with like filming something that's moving really fast, this would not handle it at all. Like I've had so many problems trying to do those kind of specific shots just because like following an item or like an object, sometimes it'll go out of range. Like the drone will just be like, okay, can't go any farther, and I'm like, well, what the heck? Like my controller is like super close to it. I'm in this car trying to follow the car, but it like sets a home point, and that's what I probably need to figure out. Like that's like something I can work around, but the thing I can't work around is how fast this goes. I've had it for about 5 years. And at the very beginning, I mean, this drone came out, and this drone was like the pinnacle of drones. Like, it was the best drone that anyone could get. It was super small, compact, you know. And it is small and compact. It still works really well. It's just that speed. The speed is like not up to par. But if you're trying to film any subject that's moving really fast, I would go with the Mavic Air 2. So link is in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next film. Peace.